Mayapple, Podophyllum peltatum, is a North American perennial plant with a fascinating dual nature. Its unripe fruit is toxic, yet its ripe, yellow pod is edible and has been used historically for medicinal purposes. Native to eastern North America, Mayapple combines botanical intrigue, ecological significance, and cultural history, making it a truly unique springtime apple. Mayapple, Podophyllum peltatum, belongs to the Berberaceae family and is native to forests and woodlands of eastern North America, from southern Canada to the southern United States. It is a low-growing perennial herb that spreads via underground rhizomes, forming dense colonies. Each plant typically has one or two large umbrella-like leaves, each 15 to 30 centimeters wide, which capture dappled sunlight in the understory of deciduous forests. The plant produces a single white flower in spring, often hidden beneath the foliage. The flower develops into a green, oval fruit roughly 2 to 5 centimeters in length, which ripens in late spring to early summer into a yellow pod. While the unripe fruit and all other parts of the plant, leaves, roots, stems, are highly toxic due to podophyllum, the fully ripe fruit is edible in moderation and has a mild, slightly tart flavor. Historically, indigenous peoples carefully harvested the ripe pods for food, while also using the plant for medicinal purposes, including as a purgative or topical remedy. Botanically, Mayapple reproduces via rhizomes and seeds. Pollination is facilitated by insects, particularly bees and flies, attracted to its solitary flower. The plant's dense foliage protects soil, supports forest understory biodiversity, and provides habitat for insects and small animals. Its early spring emergence provides food for pollinators before most other plants bloom, making it ecologically important. Medicinally, Mayapple has been used for centuries. Native Americans and early settlers used the latex and roots to treat liver ailments, warts, and as a laxative. Modern research has isolated podophyllum from the plant, a compound used in pharmaceutical applications, including cancer treatments and antiviral medications. However, caution is paramount due to the plant's inherent toxicity. Only fully ripe fruit is safe for consumption. Nutritionally, the ripe Mayapple fruit contains sugars, some vitamins, and bioactive compounds, but consumption is limited because of its potential toxicity. Culinary uses are rare and local, typically in preserves, jams, or eaten fresh in small quantities after careful ripening. Beyond human consumption, Mayapple fruits provide food for birds and small mammals, which also aid in seed dispersal. Culturally, Mayapple symbolizes spring and renewal in eastern North America. Its early emergence, large leaves, and hidden flowers have inspired folklore and traditional use. Botanists, foragers, and herbalists continue to study the plant for its medicinal properties, ecological contributions, and unique dual nature as both toxic and beneficial. In essence, Mayapple is a botanical enigma, a small forest fruit with complex chemical properties, historical medicinal use, ecological value, and a touch of culinary intrigue. Its dual nature of toxicity and edibility makes it a plant of fascination, study, and careful respect.